Hello. Now we see that the question says convert binary code into gray code, which is binary number is 101011, and convert it into gray code. So a basic difference between binary and gray code is that binary code change one or two digits at the same time, but gray code does not. Gray code change only one digit at a time. For example, we say two digit binary code is 00, 01, 10, 11. See, now you see at that time of 10 we change 0 to 1 and in binary, and also 1 to 0. So there are two digits are changed in same time, but in gray code we written at 00, 01, 11, 10. So you see there is only one bit change at a single digit change. You see 0 to 1, it's 1 1 already, so it's change 0 to 1, and now it's 1 1, so that change 0 to 1 to 0. So this is a basic difference between gray code and binary numbers. So now come to the question. We change the gray code, binary code. In gray code, simply put it at 1 0 1 0 1 1. Now we simply put this, it's a binary and it's a gray code. Now simply put 1. Okay, now these two numbers we combine that and operate XOR operation, and then put it that time. So XOR table, you also know that about that, so I write it on that for you. A B and output y equal to A XOR B. Now 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now for output is 0 1 is 0, 0 1 is for 0 0 is 0, and 0 1 is 1, and 1 0 is also 1, and for 1 1 is 0. So using this XOR truth table, we can find out the gray code. So now we find out. So 1 0 is 1. Now put it at 1. Now 0 1 is 1. Now put it, and 1 0 is also 1. 1 0 is 1. Now 1 1 we see 0, so put at 0. So you create a XOR operation between binary digits of that two binary numbers, and then put it at as it operation output. So your gray code is 1 1 1 1 1 0. So the option D is correct, and gray code is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 0. Yeah, 5 ones and 1 0. Okay, thank you.